Hello everyone and welcome to today's unboxing video of the OLED VEGA. I'm very thrilled to guide you through what's included in the package and give you a first look at this wireless all-in-one 3D scanner. Let's start by taking a look at this upgraded packaging. The OLED VEGA comes in a sustainable, lightweight carrying case, ensuring that all the components are well protected during shipping and storage, also easily travel with it. Now, let's see what's inside the box. And we also have the quick start guide inside. The quick start guide provides instructions to help us quickly get started with VEGA. And we also got markers inside the package. You will also find like 6mm reflect markers. Okay, so here we go. We got the main character here, and let me take out. Next, we have a silicone case designed to prevent wear and tear on the device while providing a more comfortable grip experience. Remove the silicone case. We can see this elegant design and portable all-in-one form of the OLED VEGA. It features a built-in 2K OLED display for clean visuals and energy saving. And on the right side, you can see a convenient power button on the side. You can press and hold the button to open your scanner, or one quick click to lock your screen. On the top is a multiple functional button. A USB Type-C to C cable is equipped to support power charging and data transmission. And here is a wrist strap and a ring screw to prevent the device from falling. We have a calibration board and the holder. After a long journey or you haven't used the scanner for more than 7 days, we recommend to calibrate the OLED VEGA to ensure its performance at its best. We also provide a 65 watts power adapter with dual Type-C ports, which can be used to charge the device via a Type-C cable. And we also have another surprise for you. This time we add our shiny mascot in the package as a gift, especially for beginners. You can start from scanning the shiny first. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. Follow us to get more information of the brand new OLED VEGA. See you next time.